Say you already finished your video taping and you are about to return the equipment back to CMS office and also archive onto your laptop. So we will show you how to do it. Make sure that you have everything and you play the video. The video is played fine. You could turn off the camera and plug the power cable. Put them back to the case. Take off the camera by releasing the adapter. It will slide off, and then loose the knob underneath of the adapter. Put the adapter back on the tripod when you return. Put the camera back to the case temporarily. What you will do, not to snap your fingers, be careful when you are closing the tripod, not to put your fingers in the middle of the pole. You want to grab it from the top or just gently twist or just gently push up the support of the tripod and close the tripod by holding up 3 of the legs, and then loose the tilt and tighten it, and you could hold the tripod upside down and then release the latch. They will go close themselves, and then close the latch one more time. Another session, do the same. This is the safest way that I always will close my tripod so that I won't snap my finger. Tripod is ready to return back to CMS office. What we will do is to show you how to have the file to your laptop.